Magandang gabi sa lahat. The YouTube channel of the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Limbas Law Corner is back to once again render public service in the field of law, most specifically to share our little knowledge sa ating mga batas para sa sambayan ng Pilipino, brought to you by the Limbas Marangal Eagles Club of the Eastern Rizal Region 2. All right, the topic. Okay, so you are a complainant in the crime of falsification. Well, your claim is that your signature was forged in a document, which could be a commercial document or a public document. So, in filing such a case, is it really necessary that there be a report from an expert witness so that the crime of falsification can be filed by the prosecutor in court? Kailangan ba talaga? Well, maraming Supreme Court ruling ang nagsasabi that the finding of the judge insofar as falsification, so for instance, merong na-forged na signature, well, it is the judge who will determine whether the signature was indeed forged. And if there is a recommendation or finding from an expert, well, the recommendation or finding of the expert, while it may be useful, but it is not indispensable. Di naman talaga kailangan. But how about sa Office of the Prosecutor? Eh, syempre, mas maganda kung merong findings naman yung expert doon sa signature na magsasabi na forged talaga yung signature. Pero indispensable ba? Hindi. Hindi naman. Kasi ito yung nagrereklamo, positive siya na itong dokumentong ito ay falsified. Bakit? Hindi siya pumirma kailangan ba talaga? Kaya ako nag-discuss ng ganito kasi nakatanggap na ng message na di umano yung reklamo niya ay na-dismiss ng Office of the Prosecutor solely on the ground that there is no certification coming from an expert witness that her signature was forged. Pero kung yun lang talaga ang reason, medyo may kulang, right? Pero hindi ko naman sabihin mali yung prosecutor kasi hindi ko naman nabasa din. Ano ba talaga ang laman ng kanyang ebidensya ng complainant? Ano ba yung nakasaad sa kanyang complaint affidavit ng witnesses kung meron man at yung mga dokumento. Pero ulitin ko, yung testimony of an expert witness to prove that the signature was forged, to prove that as a consequence a document is falsified, it is not essential. Not essential. So maraming salamat. Sana nakatulong na naman itong programa ng the Limbas Marangal Eagles Club of the Eastern Rizal Region 2 para sa sambayan ng Pilipino. Magandang gabi sa lahat.